Hey y'all, so here I am showing you my hair. And now I'm showing you the hair that I use to get these invisible locks. I use 24 inches, and no, I did not cut it. It is that length. Y'all, so I just parted my hair into 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. And I use these tools. I use this to pre-part, and I use this to clean up my part. So I use this to pre-part. Then I added some shiny jam, and then I cleaned up my parts with this tool. But I have multiple mirrors. Like I have a mirror on this door, and then I have this mirror that I can open and close and basically sit on my counter. And that's my bathroom mirror is right there. So yeah, so I'm gonna go and do the back of my hair to make sure I know what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what I did. Oh, this is just, I look crazy, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, so right now I'm going to first give you a sped up version of option 1 on how to install the invisible locks. I'm going to give you 2 options, and I used both options on my head when I did it. Right here I'm showing how I separated the spring twist hair. So it's already naturally separated in the pack. I pulled one of those pieces from the pack, and then I split it in half. So then I have 2 pieces from that one piece that you pulled from the pack that is naturally separated. Okay, now here we are with a slowed down version of option 1. After parting in a brick layer parting, as if I was just traditionally parting, I took one of those sections, and now you just saw that I split that in the half down the middle. Then I clipped that away, and then I used the hair milk on the part that I'm going to twist, braid. And there's no specific amount of times that I braid it down, y'all. I basically just braid it down enough to where when I stick that piece of hair, that piece of springy twist hair, it's not going to come out. So as you see, I'm going to push my crochet needle through, hook open. Then I'm going to stick the hair in there. Then I'm going to close the hook before I pull it through. And then I'm going to pull it back through the other side, open the hook, pull that hair all the way through. Only one side am I pulling through. And then I'm going to make the hair even at the ends. And notice that I did hold one side of the hair to make sure that when I was pulling it through the braid, that piece didn't come all the way through the braid. Now I'm going to unclip that top layer, and then I'm going to add some Murray's Edge wax to smooth it over at the top and lay it flat. Y'all, I did also use shiny jam in the orange jar, and I do feel like I like that better than the Murray's, but I wanted to try both just to see how I liked it. Then I combed my hair over, and here is a very, very important part. So I'm going to twist the hair. So I'm going to twist going to the left. Make sure as you're twisting very tightly. And when twisting this one as well, there's no specific amount of time to twist. Just twist long enough to where you're able to clip it to the side and keep it tight. And y'all, this is so important. When you get ready to clip this, please clip it tight, because if you don't, it'll loosen up and it'll just mess everything up. It just will. All right, so this one I'm going to do the same thing. I'm splitting it, but I kind of like split this one diagonally because it's in the front. And then I'm going to do the same thing to that piece. And please, you have to twist it the same direction as I just twisted that other one. I have to twist this one the same direction. You're going to see why when I do the final step. So right now, I'm sticking my needle back through. So following those same steps. And then I'm going to pull the hair through. And then I'm going to twist this piece after pulling my natural hair over it. I'm going to twist this one to the left as well. To the left, everything you want in a box to the left. All right, y'all, here we go. So I'm going to twist it tightly to the left, as you can see. Now I have to do that because when I get ready to cross these two pieces over, I'm going to twist them the opposite way. And you have to do that because it will not stay. So notice when I unclipped them, I did twist it a little bit more to the left just so I can make sure it's tight. Now here I go getting ready to create my invisible lock, and you notice that I'm now twisting the opposite direction to the right. And before I'm twisting to cross over, I am twisting each piece, one upwards and the other one I'm twisting downwards. And then I cross it over. So basically exactly how you do a 2-strand twist, that's what I'm doing. You're going to see I didn't feel like that one was tight enough, so I'm going to undo it and then redo it again just so it's tight to my liking. Okay, so now you will get to see option 2. And I'm going to begin, just like I did the other option, by smoothing out the top, just so I can make sure it's nice and flat before I get ready to do the twist. Then I'm going to split it into 2, split it in half. And then with those 2 halves, this time I'm just going to start twisting. I'm just going to twist and cross over a few times. I think I did it about 4 times, twisting and crossing over. And then I'm not going to change the sizes of the pieces of hair that I'm adding in. It's still those same 2 pieces. And I'm going to begin by feeding in 1 piece of hair. As I feed in that piece of hair, I'm going to twist it upward, one side upwards, as you can see. And then I'm going to twist the other side downward. And then I'm going to cross it over. Same thing I did when I was creating my invisible lock within the first option. And then I twisted it down a few times, and then I'm going to feed in another piece of hair. I think I twisted it down about twice. And then that's going to be it, y'all. I'm just going to, after that, I'm going to just twist all the way down. And that's it for option 2. I do feel like this is a lot easier, this option, but I do prefer the way the other option looks. I did these individually like that because I didn't want a lot of gaps at the top of my head. So that's basically the reason why. But I do prefer the other way because it does give it more of a lock look when you finish. As I was twisting down, I did add in some Eco Styler gel. Y'all, option 2 definitely is giving more like feed and twist vibes, but you know what? The outcome came out great. It still looked amazing at the end. But keep watching because I'm going to show us how I'm going to twist all the way down, and then I'm going to show y'all how I created the lock look at the bottom. First, I'm going to grab my hair exactly at the length where I want my twist/lock to stop. Then I'm going to take that piece and cross it over on top of where I'm holding the hair. And then I'm going to keep crossing that piece of hair over. And notice when I cross it over, I'm going to pull it down a little bit to keep it tight. Because I noticed when I didn't do that, it would kind of have my hair loosen up and it won't be tight enough at the bottom. So I'm going to keep twisting going up, making sure to do it very close to where I twisted previously. And then I just stopped wherever I wanted it to basically stop at the top. I did make sure to stop twisting going up so I can leave enough hair left over. So whenever I get ready to twist it to go down, that I can stop it at the end of my hair. You're about to see what I'm about to do coming up. And when I do get ready to twist it going down, notice how I do it loosely. I don't do it very tight because I wanted to reach the bottom of my lock / twist so I can tie it with a rubber band, and my rubber band wouldn't be in the middle of the lock. Although that happened with some of them and it still looked great, but that was the goal here. And let me tell y'all, I was in struggle mode on this part of the process on a lot of them. But eventually, as I kept doing it, I got it. So if you follow my directions, y'all will get it too. But that's pretty much it for everything that I did. Thank y'all for watching. Come back, watch another one. Don't forget to like my video. Y'all like the video. And definitely press subscribe to my channel. I will have more videos coming soon like this. Thank y'all for watching. Be blessed. Be blessed.